Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make this beautiful square doily pattern. So this square doily measures about, you can see, 10 inches, which is about a 26 centimeter. But you can also make it bigger, which I have explained later in the video. And I have used 4-ply yarn in this color. And crochet hook, I have used a 3mm crochet hook. So this is a very simple project. So let's get started. First we are going to make a magic circle. So in this magic circle we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. And we are going to work 3 more double crochets. So 1 and 2 and 3. So we have 4 double crochets including the first chain 3. Now we will chain 2 and work 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then again chain 2 and 4 double crochet into the magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again chain 2 and 4 double crochets in the magic ring. So slightly pull this yarn tail and make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I am going to chain 2. Then I will pull this yarn tail and close the magic ring like this. So pull it as much as possible. Then we are going to make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3 in here and finish this first round. So our first round is done. So for the next round, I am going to make a slip stitch into this gap between the chain 3 and the first double crochet. So here in this gap make a slip stitch and we will start the round here. We will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, then chain 1. Then I am going to skip the next 2 double crochets and insert the hook between the third and fourth double crochet. So in this gap I am going to make another double crochet. Then chain 1 and into this chain 2 space we will work 1 double crochet. Then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work another double crochet into the same space. Then chain 1, work a double crochet between the first and second double crochet. So in this gap work another double crochet. Then chain 1 and work 1 double crochet between third and fourth double crochet. So we will repeat this. Chain 1, double crochet into the space, then chain 3, double crochet into the same space, then chain 1, double crochet between first and second double crochet, then chain 1, double crochet between third and fourth. So like this we will continue. So here I am near the end of this round. So I am going to make a chain 1 and slip stitch on top of the first chain 3. So third chain, make a slip stitch and finish this round. So this is round 2. So for the next round, I am going to slip stitch into the next space, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet into the same space. So we have 2 double crochets here, including the first chain 3. Then into the next space we will again work 2 double crochets, 2, and in this corner, which is the chain 3 space, I am going to work 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then we will chain 3 and work 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Then into the next chain 1 space we will again work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Then 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Then again 2 double crochets into the next space, 1 and 2. Then we will work this corner, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will repeat the same pattern around and finish this round. So here you can see I am at the end. I am going to make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3 and finish round 3. So this is our round 3. So for round 4, I am going to make a slip stitch into the next stitch and slip stitch into the next gap between the double crochets. So here slip stitch, and we will start here. So chain 3, which counts as double crochet, then chain 1, then we will skip the next 2 double crochets and into the next gap we will work our double crochet. Then chain 1, skip 2 double crochets and into the next gap we will work a double crochet. Then we have the corner. I am going to chain 1, work a double crochet into this chain 3 space here. Then I am going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work another double crochet into the same space. Then we will chain 1, I am going to skip 1 double crochet and into the next gap I am going to work a double crochet. Then chain 1, skip 2 double crochets, then double crochet into the gap. Then chain 1, skip 2 double crochets and double crochet into the gap. So like this we will repeat. Chain 1, skip 2 double crochets and double crochet in the next gap. Chain 1, skip 2 and double crochet in the gap. Chain 1, skip 2, double crochet in the gap. Then chain 1, here we are at the next corner, we will skip this last stitch and double crochet into the space, then chain 3 and double crochet into the same space. Then again we will chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next gap. Chain 1, skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the next gap. Chain 1, skip 2, double crochet in the gap. So like this we are going to repeat around and finish this round in here. So here you can see I am at the end of this round. I am going to chain 1 and make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. The third chain I am going to make a slip stitch and finish this round. So that's round 4. Then we are going to do the round 5, which is the repetition of round 3. So chain 3 and double crochet into the same space, and again 2 double crochets into the next space, 1, 2, then 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Then we have the corner chain 3 space, in that we will work 1, 2, 3 double crochets, then we will chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 double crochets in all these chain 1 spaces, 1, 2, then 2 double crochets into next space, then 2 double crochets into next chain 1 space, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, again 2 double crochets into next space, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here I am at the next corner, in that we will work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then chain 2, work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Then we are going to repeat the same pattern around and finish this round in here. So here you can see I have finished this round. So now we are going to repeat these 2 rounds. So this net round we are going to repeat one more time. For that, slip stitch into the next stitch and slip stitch into the next gap, then chain 3, again chain 1, skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the next gap. So this is the same, chain 1, skip 2 stitch and double crochet into the gap, chain 1, skip 2 stitch and double crochet into the gap, chain 1, then into this corner work 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 more double crochet into the corner, then again chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next gap, then skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the next gap, chain 1, skip 2, double crochet into the next gap, chain 1, skip 2 and double crochet into the next gap, chain 1, skip 2, double crochet into the next gap. So like this we are going to continue around and finish this round, and we are going to repeat these 2 rounds. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rounds. So I am going to make a total of up to row 12. So I am going to finish all the rows and meet you there. So here you can see I have finished 12 rows, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you can also make it bigger by repeating these rounds as much as you want. So now let's start with the final round. So here I have made a slip stitch. So chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. We are going to work into this previous space. Here you can see I have pointed my finger. So work 2 double crochets, 1, 2. So we have 3 double crochets, then we will make a picot. Chain 3 and work a single crochet into these 2 side loops. So make a single crochet and make a picot. Then work 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. So that is our first pattern here. Then chain 1. We are going to skip the next chain 1 space and single crochet into the next space. Again chain 1, skip the next chain 1 space, and into the next one we will make the same pattern. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then picot, chain 3, insert your hook into these 2 side loops and make a single crochet. Then work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 2 and 3. Then again chain 1, skip 1 space and single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, skip 1 space, and here we are at the corner. So in the corner we will chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then picot, chain 3, single crochet into these 2 side loops, and again 4 double crochet into the same space, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have worked this corner, you can see. Now we will turn our work like this, then chain 1, skip 1 space and single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, skip 1 space and pattern into the next space. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then we will make picot, chain 3, single crochet into the side loop, then 3 double crochet into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, skip 1 space, single crochet into the next space, then chain 1, skip 1 space, make a pattern in the next space. So 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet, then picot, 1, 2, 3 chains and single crochet into these side loops and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. So like this we are going to repeat around. So like this we will repeat. So corner we will make like this. So I am going to repeat around and I will meet you here at this end. So here I am at the end of this final round. I have made single crochet and chain 1. Now I am going to make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3 here and finish this round. So make a slip stitch, chain 1, and I am going to cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through. So doily is ready. Now I am going to hide the yarn tail. So our beautiful square doily pattern is now ready. I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.